So today we're staying at we just stayed last night at the Laguna Cliffs Marriott Resort and Spa. So here's a room tour. This room doesn't have a balcony, it just has windows, as you can see straight ahead. So when we walk in on the right hand side, we have some closet space here, a shelf up here, we have hangers, a couple of robes, we have an iron, we have a safe down here, and then we have a couple of drawers for storage space. Then on this side of the closet, I think it's just some extra space and an iron as well. Then we walk over here and we have like a coffee maker, a couple mugs, some coffee outlets, and some countertop space. We have another shelf under here, and then a mini fridge, but sometimes they call these like coolers instead because they don't get as cold. So let's turn and go to the left hand side. We have a really big mirror in here with the light on the outside of the mirror. We have the small mirror from the outside of the wall. We have a ton of counter space. That Dial soap is mine, but we did get this soap, bar soap, and then we did have a couple of glasses, tissues, and this stuff as well: shampoo, conditioner, shower gel, and body lotion they gave us. And then we come over here and we have the toilet area. So we have the shower area here, and there's a little shelf over there. That controls either using the big shower head or the small handheld one, and then this controls the temperature. It's really interesting because you can see this is open and there's nothing sliding. They had this in the JW Marriott in Nashville, the same design as well. So this is like the newer hotels. Some of them are opting for this without a door. Then we also have some hooks for some towels. And then underneath the sink area, we have the blow dryer and towels as well, like fresh towels or anything you want to put under there. And then this light is on a timer, so after you're not in here for a while, it shuts off. Now we're in the bedroom area. Sorry if it's very wrinkly. I just remade the bed really fast, so both of them look like the one on the right did when I got here last night. If you come over here, we have a phone, and then we have like a really old-fashioned radio, which is really cool. We have the Bible, the Book of Mormon. This is about shopping at Marriott. And we have some extra storage over here, lights above the bed and reading lights as well. And then we have this art on the wall. And then if we go to this side of the room, we have a little place to sit, or you can put your suitcase on there, dual use, which is really cool. I like that. And then we have glasses, some ice, and we have some drawers if you want to put your stuff away. And then we have a remote, and we have all these different options if you want to watch internet TV or regular TV. Note that I was staying at the Anaheim Marriott before this, and it's interesting because they took Hulu off of this for some reason. And I heard they took it off a lot of things, the app, so it's really interesting. Then we have some more outlets over here, built into the desk area with a lamp and a chair. We have another ottoman over here with a full-length mirror. And then you can just see that we have just a room with regular windows, a lamp, and another chair with a couple tables, which is cool. And then you can control the air conditioning over here. And this is the view. I'll just show you the view of the room really fast. This is the view of the room. There are beachfront, beach views from the hotel. The hotel isn't on the beach, but you could see the beach. I got here too late last night to be upgraded to that, but you can see here, I kind of can see the beach actually. I don't know if that's like a little beach, but there's some water. I can zoom in a little bit so you can see. But yeah, really cool. And that's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and set alerts so you can catch my next travel video.